Another important tool in SketchUp, very commonly used, is the offset tool. Let's say we want to create concentric circles using our initial circle. Let's find the offset tool at the toolbar. Here it is. Either click on the actual button or use the letter F as a shortcut, and with the mouse select the initial perimeter line of the circle, click on it, and then with a mouse left button released, either move towards the inside of the circle or the outside. Select the position where you want to place the concentric offset circle and click for the second time. Let's do this again. Towards the inside, click on the initial line and move towards the inside and click again. Let's do this for the polygon. Click on the outside perimeter line, and now this time, instead of using our mouse, I will use actual dimensions. So towards the inside, if you want the polygon to be offset towards the inside, let's type in 50 millimeters and hit enter. And if we want it towards the outside, move our mouse towards the outside first and type again, this time 75 millimeters. And there you have it. The same can be done with our big rectangular surface. Select the surface and towards the outside, let's say 100 millimeters. Let's do this circle here again, 150. And our first rectangle, we can do an offset for this one as well towards the inside. This time I will do it using the mouse, and there we have concentric circles, polygons, offset rectangles, and what have you. Very easy to use, and you will see in the videos later on how useful this command tool is. And this brings us to my most favorite all-time command in SketchUp, the push-pull command, which we can create 3D objects from 2D surfaces, and this we will see how to do it on our next video, so stay tuned.